Stop buying Terra Classic LUNC because the market is not favorable right now. The market is not really good for Terra Classic. Anything can happen. You might end up losing more of your investment on Terra Classic, except for those that must have bought or invested before, who are waiting to see how they can recover some of their earnings. People like us, okay? Right now, for me, I also want to tell you that apart from Terra Classic, stop for now. Even if you want to go and buy, but I won't tell you we're going to buy, but please try to research, okay? Please try to research it very well before you can invest in any crypto coin. But please, this video, in case, remember, this is not a financial advice. So please, once again, thank you for stopping by. Make your decision right. But I want to give you some few coins that are sitting. There might be alternative to Terra Classic that's the gold. Now, one of the coin is SUI coin. You can see it's only ranked among the top 100 crypto coins, and for me, I think they are doing well. Okay, they are really doing well. The price is really increasing and people love this coin. And the other is Vickpoint. We all know when Vickpoint came out, the coin really pumped. People made a lot of money. Even though the coin right now have really dropped, I still believe that there's a future price prediction, which definitely a lot of experts believe can push this coin to hit over $50 to $100 price or more. So another one is also Kucoin. Yes, I love Kucoin. I don't believe long Kucoin came out about a few weeks ago, but already when it came out, more than 5,000% price increase. So right now, I think Kucoin needs a lot to be done. Then another one again is the last one. If I mention the last one, I want to mention SEI coin. SEI coin also is one of the coin I love so much, and I want to invest on this coin also. So please, like I said, SUI, Vickpoint, Kucoin, SEI, that is C network coin, and then Shiba Doge. Yes, these 5 coins is something one need to hold. One need to buy and hold because anything can happen. So please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. If you are buying this coin, please invest what you can afford to lose. Let us keep on supporting crypto industry, and let's hope to see Terra Classic revive once again. Please, can you subscribe to our channel? Turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.